It's hard to believe that this clump of bare root will turn into a beautiful perennial. But it's actually a Astilbe, really a stunning plant. From the foliage to the beautiful spiky flowers. It loves the shade, and because it doesn't get so high, it is around 50-70 centimeters depending on the variety. You can have it along the border or in a container. So it's really a show-stopping perennial if you ask me. And I'm gonna show you how to have it in a pot first. I have this old container here, plastic pot, and I have my potting soil that I have added some water, so it's really, I pinch it and it stays together. And also to give it the best start here, I'll add around 3 good handfuls of soil, and then really gently, without breaking any of these spikes here, because it already started to sprout, add it in, and then I'll just slowly add some more soil on top. There we go. And if you have bought some of these bare roots and there's still some frost in your garden, you can keep it in your fridge until you're ready to start planting them, because you really give them the best start by planting them on here first, and then you can have them in a windowsill with sun or on a porch. I will place them in my unheated greenhouse, and I'll of course have a little label here. This is Astilbe, so I don't forget. And this is called Vision in Pink. You can get white ones, more over dark purples. So I add the tag here, and I'll keep it in the beginning just slightly watered here, and you can easily see it starts to sprout here. And if it starts to grow out of the pot here, it's a sign that you can place it right out in the garden. There we go. So this Astilbe is ready to come out in the very nice and warm, comfy greenhouse here. But notice it's unheated, but it will really thrive here. Gets a lot of sunlight, and it will really kick on the growing season here. And the great thing about these bare roots is that you will get a really strong flowering already this year. And you can also get lupins, you can get hollyhocks, you can get achillea, you can get so many different bare roots. And compared to growing different perennials from seeds, a lot of them, like lupins, might first flower in the second year. So it's really a great benefit of doing these and putting them on in a pot first. I know it's a lot of extra work. Some might want to wait until, can I wait until end of May when there's no frost? Because we have a lot of frost still in April sometimes, depending on the weather. But you really give them the best start by putting them in these containers first as a little middle station, and then you can plant them directly in the container, and you'll have this beautiful, beautiful flowering already this year. I can promise you that. So thank you for watching. Moin!